Moving can be stressful, but the right boxes can make all the difference. Finding the best moving box for your needs is key to keeping your items safe and organized. In today's video, we'll explore top-rated moving boxes that offer durability, easy handling, and optimal storage solutions. Let's dive into which boxes stand out for ensuring a smooth move from start to finish. Banker's Box. The Banker's Box large moving box is the ideal solution for transporting large, delicate items like 55-inch TVs, framed pictures, and mirrors. Constructed from durable, high-quality cardboard, this box ensures your items stay safe during your move. With a size of 48 inches by 4 inches by 33 inches, it provides ample space for wrapping items with blankets or bubble wrap for added protection. While not intended for shipping, this box excels at moving purposes and can be reused multiple times. Additionally, it's recyclable, offering an eco-friendly moving solution. The box is easy to assemble, and its sturdy design ensures that it can handle heavy loads. Made in the USA, it is built to last, making it a reliable choice for your moving needs. If you're looking for a durable and practical moving box for your large, fragile items, this is an excellent option. U-Haul Household Moving Kit. The U-Haul Household Moving Kit is a solid choice for anyone looking to streamline their moving process. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need for a smooth and organized move, featuring 36 boxes in various sizes to accommodate different items, from small knickknacks to larger furniture. The kit also includes 2 wardrobe boxes for clothes, along with packing materials like bubble wrap, packing paper, and foam for fragile items. One of the standout features is the 65-pound weight limit for most boxes, ensuring durability and security. Additionally, the kit comes with convenient extras like 3 rolls of tape and a TV cover, making it a comprehensive solution for any household move. Whether you're relocating from a one-bedroom apartment or a small home, this kit is an excellent value and helps you pack efficiently. A great choice for both convenience and protection during your move. Banker's Box Tall Wardrobe Box. The Banker's Box Tall Wardrobe Box is an essential for anyone looking to streamline their move. Designed for closet organization, each box comes with a metal hanging bar that accommodates up to 2 linear feet of clothing, allowing you to move your garments without folding them. These boxes are made from strong, high-quality cardboard, ensuring durability throughout the move. Reinforced handles make carrying them effortless, even with heavy items like coats and jackets inside. Ideal for storing bulky items at the bottom, such as pillows, the boxes are versatile and practical. Another standout feature is the box's easy assembly and space-saving design, which can be reused for future moves or storage. The sturdy construction guarantees your items will remain protected, and with a size of 24 inches by 24 inches by 40 inches, it provides plenty of room for your clothing. Overall, this set is a reliable and convenient choice for any moving task. IRIS Plastic Storage Bins. The Iris stackable plastic storage bins are a top choice for those looking to organize their home or office efficiently. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, these bins provide a transparent design that allows easy identification of contents without opening the lid. The stackable feature ensures that you can maximize your space while keeping your items secure with latching buckles. The pull handle on the bottom makes retrieval easy, even from high shelves. These bins are not only strong but also versatile, ideal for closets, garages, and playroom. Whether you need to store clothes, toys, or paperwork, these bins provide a reliable and convenient storage solution. Their tapered design allows them to nest when not in use, saving even more space. If you're looking for practical, sturdy, and affordable storage solutions, the Iris USA bins are definitely worth considering. A solid choice for organization needs. HOLDN Storage Container Set. If you're looking for the perfect solution to store and protect your delicate dinnerware, the HOLDN Storage Container Set is a must-have. Made from durable quilted microfiber, this set is specifically designed to keep your plates, glasses, and mugs safe during moves or seasonal storage. The containers come with soft dividers that prevent scratches and chips, ensuring your items stay in excellent condition. With its clear window design, you can easily identify what's inside each container, saving time when looking for specific dishes. The sturdy, zippered closure and reinforced handles make carrying and accessing your items hassle-free. Whether you're storing china for special occasions or everyday use, this set provides a reliable, efficient way to organize your dinner.